This 2025 Thor Motor Coach 4 Winds 28Z is a Class C RV. It is located in Rockford, Illinois, 61101 and is offered for sale by Winnebago Motorhomes. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features a taupe interior, sleeps 8, water heater, smoke detector, microwave, refrigerator, skylight, LP detector, TV, slide-out, air conditioning, oven, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front living area, rear bedroom. This 2025 Thor Motor Coach 4 Winds 28Z is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Winnebago Motorhomes.